okay, red song. Get the bitch tryna fuck some. In the bed getting low. Yeah. I'ma hit the lick like they owe me. I'ma hit the bitch like she owe me. Hold up, they don't give a fuck about the police. Nigga got gun like the police, yeah. Hit the bitch out like a goalie, yeah. Nigga got gun like the police, yeah. Hit the bitch out like a goalie, yeah. I'm on my plate. We serve crack. Hop our jets. Drop our pets. Friend of flick, yeah.
Man, what is poppin' YouTube? It's your boy ColWorld TV. I'm back with another video. How y'all doing, man? So I'm over here chilling on YouTube, whatever. So I'm looking at my YouTube stew, whatever. So I'm just looking. Yo, look. I want y'all to, yeah, I know y'all see this over here, man. So I mean, we had already been hit our like subscriber mark, you feel me? Look, we just hit our required watch time hours, and we can apply an A. Your boy finna apply for the partner program, you know what I'm saying? So we already hit our requirements. So y'all been running up the vids, you feel me? So you already know the vibes, man. So we about to apply for the partner program. If we get accepted, we finna get monetized. And then we finna get this YouTube bag, you feel me? So I'm about to go handle this right now, you feel me? So let me just click this right here, man. We about to go apply for this joint, man. So yeah, they basically got like all the steps and shit like that, you feel me? So AdSense get reviewed. So that's basically how this shit go. I'm basically taking y'all through the steps and shit like that. So I'm gonna handle these. So I'm gonna go ahead and handle these, and when I actually get monetized, the next clip y'all finna see is me getting monetized. So yeah, I'll catch y'all. Yo, we made it, y'all. Listen, we here today, man. We here, you feel me? We here. Yo, so I just got an email from YouTube. I'm about to pull up the email real quick, man. We doing this live. We doing this shit live, bro. So as you can see, congratulations, your channel. Basically, I mean, y'all see it here, man. Basically, long story short, we got accepted to the YouTube partner program. Yo, so y'all know what that means. We get into the bag, nigga. We get into that motherfucking bag, bro. Let's go. We get into that motherfucking bag, man. Goddamn. Yo, first off, thank you. Thank you to everybody that have been tuned in with the vids, watched the videos, liked, comment. Anybody that's been in any type of video in the past, from like when I first started with 0 subscribers all the way to this point, thank you. Thank you. Because without y'all, I would not be here today, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, we would not be in this position right now. So that's first off. Second, this shit crazy. Like, this shit crazy. Like, let me tell y'all. So I'm gonna tell y'all like I mean, we did it, but I ain't tell y'all the story. Like, I'm gonna give y'all like a quick little story real quick on how we got to this point, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's because there's a lot of shit y'all don't really know. So I'm gonna just give y'all like a quick story time of how I got to this position today, man, and how we end up getting monetized, you feel me? So I'm gonna try to like speed it up, not make it too long, you know what I'm saying? Because I got a lot of shit I gotta talk about. So we gonna start 2020 on YouTube. So as y'all know, that's when the pandemic hit, you know what I'm saying? Now that shit was tough. Those times was tough. So around that time, everybody was on lockdown, quarantined, etc., whatever. So nobody could go outside and make content, you feel me? So for me, I would usually be outside making content. So for that to happen, like, a lot of my resources were just taken away. So like, I was left doing reaction videos, like videos that involved like staying in the crib type shit, you know what I'm saying? So around that time, my watch time was kind of going up around that time. So, and I'm talking about the watch time. So I was doing reaction videos and all that stuff. So they were not hitting. The views was not there. The views was not hitting and this like that. So I was supposed to really truly get monetized by I think November 3rd of 2020. So that year ago around that time, I dropped my party video, which like the most viewed video. That was basically what got me all my watch time. The watch time from last year and this year too. So I talk about the party videos in this. So basically I was like doing vids and stuff, the reactions, because the reason why they weren't hitting is because like the content, because nobody was tuned in. Like the views was just downright trash. So like around that time, I was doing like anything and everything to try to like get the watch time, to try to hit monetization before I hit that date, because basically, if you're a YouTuber, basically they give you 12-month window to hit 4,000 hours before the year ends. So if you don't, so what happens is usually like if you don't hit that required watch time, what happens is the watch time like resets. So basically it like the watch time that you gained for that year, that shit reverses. So I was probably, I think it was like, I was at 3,700 or 3,800 or something like that. So I forgot what happened. I think I had took a break. Because I think I had took a break. I don't know if it was like that same month or month before, because I was burnt out from doing vids, whatever. Cause it was just a lot of shit going on in the background. So basically I did not hit the hours. So what happened after that time was up, I lost all that watch time. I lost all of it because that video, the party video, like I had mentioned earlier, that was like the only video that I had on my channel that ever like blew up the way it did. Like it was just views that my channel ain't even seen before. So all that watch time that I gained from that one video, that shit like subtracted, bro. It just subtracted, like it was just going down like crazy. So at that point I was like, fuck, I just lost all of that, bro. Now, yo, cause it was just a bunch of shit. So I ended up taking another break from YouTube. I was trying to figure out, damn, what am I gonna do from here? You know what I'm saying? So I was on TikTok so I was just doing TikToks and stuff. So I think I was on TikTok, but I was on YouTube. I mean, I was just watching videos and shit like that. So I seen some people doing like Omega vids. So Omega vids started getting popping again around like probably like November, December-ish. You feel me? So, and then what I seen people do, so they filmed their Omegle vids and they was using TikTok too. So they was putting all their Omegle vids on the TikTok. On TikTok, they were getting hella views and stuff like that. So I was like, all right, I think I'm gonna do some Omegle vids because I used to do Monkey app. So Omegle, it's like the same shit, but it's like Omegle, I would say it's like the adult version of Monkey app. You know what I'm saying? So we go into 2021. Now this year, well actually, the year that just ended, 2021. So I had to really like change my mindset because the reason why I didn't hit the watch time in 2020 is because I was chasing views. Like it's like the mindset was not there, like because I was putting like all types of bullshit to just get some views to try to climb up, which backfired in the end. So I had to completely rewire my brain, change my mindset. So I'm focusing on the content and what the people like to see pretty much, and they like to see this type of shit. So they see me saw some shows, you know what I'm saying? So starting from like the beginning of 2021, I would say like, basically starting from January all the way to like just throughout, I've been doing like Omega vids. Like I've just been focusing on just strictly like banger content, you know what I'm saying? Like the Omega vids, I mean, they weren't like viral, they weren't like crazy viral, but like they was holding me up. They was getting me some views and shit like that. Probably by like midsummer, the old party video that I had dropped like the prior year, it started going viral again. So it was just getting like more views again. So I guess like around that period, so everybody was like outside. Like there was like no more quarantine around that time, so everybody was like outside putting out content and shit like that. So I guess like there was more party vids, so I guess mine's got boosted up in the algorithm, so I was getting like a lot of more watch hours. So around that time, probably like June-ish, I was like 2000, I was at 2021. So then my shit started going up. My views just started going up all of a sudden, you know. And then I dropped another video in September, which was a party vid, day party that I went to, and that video went crazy too. So that shit boosted me up even more. Around that period, I was back doing IRL stuff like public interviews, vlogs, things like that, man. So I was just going crazy. I was going crazy from September all the way till the end of 2021, man. So long story short, so we just doubled up. Like we just got that shit back in blood, bro. So and then we are here today and we hit our mark. So we here, man. So, but yeah, once again, I just want to thank everybody that was tuned in with the videos, watching the videos all the way through, liked, comment, and anybody who contributed in like helping out. Yo, hey yo,
you got it, yes sir.
Shit, we out here. Yo, I called by accident though. I was trying to respond to your DM and shit.
Oh no, you're good.
Yeah, yo, I'm recording a video right now, bro. Yo, say what up to the tube, man.
Shit.
Yo, we on the tube. Yo, what you gotta say, man?
What's good, yo? Oh, you're recording right now?
Yeah, I'm filming a video right now, man.
Oh shit, what's good, YouTube?
Shit, yo. What you gotta say to the people, man? I'm telling them your boy got monetized and shit, man.
Bro, you better get me a 300 subscribers. I'm not serious having them killing you.
Yes, sir. Hey, we going crazy 2022. No cap.
Yes, sir.
Shit.
Still recording, I'll call you back.
Yeah, yo, go sub to my boy what's it called? Demi Baby?
Yeah.
Okay, Demo, go subscribe to his joint. No cap.
Yes, sir.
But alright, I'm gonna tap on with you later though. Be easy. Shit. Yo. That's my boy Deem. Go sub to his channel, man. He be showing love, no cap. Like, yeah, man, this shit is crazy. I really don't know what to say about that, man. Like, that shit crazy. Yeah, boy got monetized. Basically, like, it's gonna be up from here on out, man. You really gonna see the grind improve for real, man. Like, we really getting to this YouTube back. Like, your boy officially a YouTuber. We about to get this YouTube money, bruh. We about to be flexing on these niggas, bruh. Oh yeah, I want to say also, man, I don't do YouTube for the money, man. Like, I mean, obviously I haven't done YouTube for the money because I've been doing YouTube for like 4 years and shit like that. So obviously I ain't been making no cheese on YouTube, but I'm not doing it for the money. You feel me? Because yeah, I mean, it's cool. The money's cool. We could like make videos to get money and shit like that. Like, cause who wouldn't? You know what I'm saying? But more so, I do this to basically show the people anybody could do this. You know what I'm saying? Cause me, like, honestly, I'm not really like, I'm not lit. Like, I'm not like a celebrity or anything like that. Like, I'm just regular, bro. Like, I'm not nobody special. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, basically, you gotta put in the work to like get to this point. So it's like, if I could do it, I'm showing y'all you could do it too. You feel me? Like, anybody could do this. It don't matter weight. It don't matter your situation, because everybody going through a situation. I go through shit off camera. Like, everybody going through, it don't matter what you going through, where you from, what state you in, this and that, like, whatever, man. It's like, you gotta, if you really want something, you gotta put in the work, you gotta do it, bro. So, but yeah, man, like, I didn't go through all types of bullshit behind the scenes, my nigga. Like, I don't know, it's just all types of stuff, man. Because I could have been like, it's crazy because like I really could have been like way bigger than what I was even when I first hit like my 1,000 subscribers back in 2019. Like, at that point, like, that was when I was supposed to like optimize my quality of videos and stuff like that, like all the way through. Like, I should have been like up there with certain niggas, but it's like things happen, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta like trust in God, have faith, and your time gonna come, you know what I'm saying? That's basically what got me through, you feel me? So I mean, with that, you know what I'm saying, like, this couldn't have came at a better perfect time too, because it's your boy birthday month, you feel me? So that's like a cool little birthday gift, you know what I'm saying? So, and by the time y'all watch this video, y'all probably, this probably gonna be ads in the vid. So hey, if you can help your boy out, man, go watch them ads. Go watch them ads all the way through. So your boy get this check, you feel me? So,
okay.
Oh yeah, and one last thing, yo, if y'all want me to drop a video on my first YouTube check, how much I made on my first paycheck on YouTube, get the video to 50 likes. Get this vid to 50 likes, and I'm gonna do a video on my first YouTube check. So yeah, my camera finna die, so I ain't got too much to say. I'm just out this. So if y'all enjoyed the video, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on post notifications just so y'all don't miss a single video. And it's your boy ColWorld TV sign out. Peace.
Do it all for my team cause I carry him. Pete don't win just so we're burying. Diamonds we wet like aquarium. Diamonds are wet like aquarium. I need a bitch that's Aquarius. Pussy so good you would marry it. I'm from the same place as Harriet. Waiting my turn, I ain't Harriet. Now I ain't gone cause I carry him. Pete don't win just so we're burying.